Now we can start. Nice. Start neutral. Nice. Gear 1. As much as the car is standing up straight, don't worry about bringing down your handbrake. Your car is straight, so it won't move. So you make sure that you pull down your steering wheel, your handbrake, and then you hit the full clutch, put on gear 1, and then we go. Release your clutch bit by bit, and then your car will move. Nice. As much as we're going now, the first level we're going through is the steep. So the steep is the most important thing. We gotta make sure that our car doesn't roll back. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you guys, I'm gonna show you how to balance your car, how to listen to your car. You make sure that your car is listened properly, because of now, if you don't listen to your car properly, you won't make it. Your car is gonna roll back. So I'm gonna show you guys how you store your car to stand up straight whilst you release everything, like a handbrake and your brake. You make the car command the car with your clutch. Make sure that you balance your car with the clutch. Nice. So now we're going at the steep. As you can see, guys, we're heading there. Go that side, go that side, go that side, go that side. As we're heading there, and full swing. Now we do a full swing. Make sure we do a full swing. We do a full swing, and then you bring back your tires before you come up straight. Nice, nice. Then full clutch, then brake. Nice. And then after you hit the full clutch and brake, you do a neutral, then handbrake up. Nice. After you made sure that everything is okay, then you release everything, take a breath. After you've taken a breath, you do a 5-point check. A 5-point check, guys, is what we call observation. Observation is where we check all of our sides, actually it's how we check our blind spots and we check our 3 mirrors. And how we do it, we start by doing it on our left side mirror, your rear view mirror, your right side side mirror, and then your blind spot on your right. We make sure that we do that every time when we climb the steep. After we've done a full clutch, brake, neutral, handbrake up, we make sure that we do a 5-point check. After we've done a 5-point check, we do a steering wheel method. In order for us to get used to our steering wheel, we need to do that in order for us to go at the test knowing everything. So we do that every time when we come up at the steep. We do 2.5 in order for us to get used to the steering wheel. Without us doing 2.5, again that side, that's 2, and then that's your half. Make a half, then that's half. Nice. After you're sure about what you're doing, you hit the full clutch, and then gear 1. Nice. And then listen to your car properly. Listen to the car of the sound. When you listen to the car of the sound, as much as it sounds like this, when you release your clutch bit by bit, the sound is going to change. And when it changes, immediately you pull down your handbrake. When your clutch is at half clutch, you make sure that you pull down your handbrake. Nice. And then you wait for your car, then you go. Nice. That's how you do it, guys. You listen to the sound of the car changes. After the sound of the car changes, you stop your leg there, and then you pull down your handbrake, and then you release your clutch, all of it, then your car will go. That's how you do it, guys. Nice. This is our steep, guys. Good. That's how you make sure that your car doesn't roll back on the steep. You make sure that you listen to the car precisely, so that you would know when and how to do it. Nice. Good. How is it, Veggie?
Perfect.
Nice, nice. I can see you enjoying it. Nice, that's good. Make sure that you enhance it, all of it.
Full swing.
Nope, not now. Just pull back that side. We go into the steep again, guys. Wait. Now you do a full swing. Good. When you get into a steep, guys, you may turn late. When you get into a steep, guys, make sure that you turn late so that your car could be straight. Stop now. Put dash and brake. What you need to do now, nice, guys. In order for you to know that your truck is straight, when you go up on the steep, you make sure that you turn late, because if you turn late, your car, if you turn early, your car is gonna have a warning sign on the back tires that your car is gonna fall, or it's either on your right side, on your left side, or your left side. So you make sure that when you turn on the steep, you turn late, so that your car could come, you could go up straight. It shouldn't have warning signs that you're falling over the sides. So you make sure that you turn late. You get it?
Yeah.
Nice. After you get it, and then you do a 5-point check.
3, 5.
Nice. After your 5-point check, you make sure that full clutch, gear 1. Then you listen to the car of the sound changes. Boss. Stop your leg there.
Yes.
Pull down your steering wheel, and then you continue releasing your clutch, all of it. Then your car will go. Nice. Good. That's how you do it, guys. You keep your composure, you relax. The car, it's all about the feeling, guys. The car, it's all about the feeling, guys. So you should relax and keep your composure. Just make sure that you feel the car, because of now, it's all about the feeling. If you don't get the feeling of the car, you won't do anything. So what we need to work on when we drive the car, or when we learn the car, we work on feeling the car, so that we connect with the car and communicate with the car. And most importantly, you have to communicate with the car in order for you to drive the car, understand the car, and the car, in order for it to understand you, you gotta make sure that you communicate with it, you feel it in such a way that you can even communicate with inside your body. So the important thing about the car, guys, you shouldn't oppress yourself by telling you stop now, full clutch, nice. Hit the full. After down with the 5-point check, you do a steering wheel method, do a full swing.
Okay, full swing.
Yeah. Sure. Start. Count it. Do 2.5. That's 1. That's 2. And then that's half. Nice. Your tires are straight, guaranteed. Nice. Without looking at them, your tires, if you do a steering wheel method, guaranteed, when time goes, you will get used to it, and then you won't need to do it, because of now you'll be used to it. So don't worry about the steering wheels. Just do a steering wheel method 2.5, and then when time goes, you'll get used to it. You'll never need it anymore, because you'll be feeling your steering wheel, you'll be feeling your car. Yes. Nice, good. Now let's do it. Full clutch. Put on gear 1. Listen to the sound of the car changes.
Yes.
No. Perfect. Pull down your steering wheel, your handbrake, and then release your clutch, all of it. Nice. That's how you deal with the steep, guys. You make sure that you listen to your car properly, in order for your car to not, or maybe do any mistakes. So relax, keep your composure, you'll be fine. This is the steep, guys, and then I'll see you in another video where we do a straight reverse. Sharp.